Hey guys, it's SkyeLudwellTV. Oh, it's really bright. I am sorry for that. The lights aren't on. If the lights are on, it would look like this. Hold on. That's what it would look like. And it's really light outside, and you cannot see my face at all. It's not even funny. You can't see my nose? Really? No. Oof. Anyways, I am recording for my webcam. I probably can't open. I don't know. But my hair looks blue. Wait. I'm Hitler. I'm a gay lesbian. What? I'm odd. I'm an odd person. Okay, let's just get it over with. I don't know if I told you about me yet, have I? Well, that's boring. You guys know I have a boyfriend named Christian. I have a stuffy nose right now, so I've been sick. I've had strep throat for a while. And my lip. My lip has been killing me. I think it's canker sore. I don't know. I have a monkey shirt. Yay! Anyways, some of you may know Lita Monster Bunny. She's awesome. She looks like she's about 6'2". She's tall. That's what I heard. She's tall. Yeah, thanks to me, my boyfriend now has a crush on her. Well, she is very beautiful. I have a girl crush on her. I'm straight. So, yesterday, I was really bored, and I decided to look up at my own MySpace. I couldn't log on to it because you were not allowed to log on to it since if you haven't been on it for a while. Since I haven't been on MySpace in like 3 years, I don't know, not possibly like 4, I don't know. But I was looking. I thought my name was still Gina because that's the way my mom calls me, but Sky. I have had the name Sky for a long while now, and I looked up Gina Tobias and I couldn't find any. I mean, I found a lot. I made like 10 MySpaces. I'm not even joking. And the funny thing is, I pretended like I was like Daniel Radcliffe's girlfriend or something. And I had a picture of Daniel Radcliffe and Emma Watson in a picture when they were in the 3rd year. And the funny thing is, I've had like 4 pictures. Okay, so anyways, it's back to my own MySpace. My name was Sky Tobias, like on my Facebook. And I was an ugly child. I was just ugly. I had brown hair back then, so that's also. Well, I'm not saying brown hair is ugly. I mean, my boyfriend, he is amazingly cute, and he has brown hair. He had black, but it wore out because he took way too much showers and he used a crappy brand of hair dye, which made it worse. And you know how Sally's Beauty Salon, I don't know if they have it anywhere else, but I get my hair dye from there. How do we get from here to... Anyways, also, I found a lot of my old friends on MySpace. I'm really starting to miss MySpace. Facebook should be... tapping. There we go.